Hi, I'm Mrs. Oldakowski, and this is my introduction video. I wanted to introduce myself to you. Oh, hello. I'm Mrs. Oldakowski, and I'm excited to be your new health teacher. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. So, like I said numerous times so far, my name's Mrs. Oldakowski. Um, and so you can remember that by an old cow skiing. So, just to tell you a little bit about my background, I grew up in Pennsylvania. I went to Penn State, like most people who live in Pennsylvania. Many people go to Penn State. And I studied anthropology, which is like um, studying cultures, and archaeology is part of anthropology. And so I really like that major. But unfortunately, like a few of the majors that you can pick in college, it wasn't a very good major to um, come out and get a job. So I worked as a waitress for many years, and then I met my husband, and we had three kids, and then we adopted one more. So we had four. We have four kids. Um, and then once the kids got a little bit older, I got a job as a para at Quabbin. And so I worked for Quabbin Regional or Quabbin Regional Schools. I started out at the elementary school, and then I got transferred to the high school, and I was really worried about that. I thought, I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about high school kids. But really, they're just bigger versions of elementary school kids. So not that much different. And I really liked it. So I ended up going back to school for my master's. And I got a master's in education, and I became a special education teacher at Ware Junior Senior High School. And so I worked in the high school for this is my 8th year. And then I just wanted to kind of tell you about my health and wellness journey, I guess I'll call it. I lost some weight. I needed to lose some weight, and it was really hard. It was really hard. And so it took me 5 years to lose weight, and to kind of figure out what worked for me and what didn't work for me. I went to a nutritionist, and she really helped me a lot figuring this all out. And so I really started to get a real interest in what worked for people, and like what is the best diet, and what food should I be eating, and what should I not be eating. And so it's been 5 years is a long time. But that's really what it took for me to kind of understand and be interested in realizing like how interested I was in health and wellness. So that's why I'm so excited to switch over and to be your health teacher. I'm really excited about it. And I hope that I can teach you some things that maybe you didn't know before. Thanks for watching.